Hi all. Okay, this is my attempt at calibration. I've got my cam running here, and I've got the two cameras, and I've attached them to this straight bar, flat like they would be on the mount. And I don't know if you can see in there, but I've got a little, see if I can put my finger, right there at my fingernail. Underneath this, I've got a plastic piece that has holes in it for these screws, but there's no holes on the bottom plate, so if I screw them down, it actually lifts up the camera lens. And actually this worked pretty well because I was able to get it, I don't know if you can see on here, but I've lined them up with the ceiling. um, uh, the line right here goes right along this edge, and then this is the second camera, and I got it pretty darn close with that method. Um, I think that the boards don't have them on there straight, so there's probably some play in the boards, the different boards, and um, you know how the camera lens is actually screwed on the board. So that seemed to work. The next thing I tried was, okay, I've got the travel going one direction for the actual detection, and I'll take my handy dandy sun sock here, and you'll see what happens when I toss it over. So they both detected, which is good, but the interesting thing is they detected, and the sound came one after another. It went dee dee, which I'm not sure if that's just the playing of the sound, because they have to go one after the other. So Alvaro, I don't know if you can do that like asynchronously. I don't know how the signal is sent out the USB port for the, in our case, we're trying to use Simon's wireless piece. So I'm not sure if what the signal's doing. If the signal's taking that long in between to get the signal out, it could be a problem with double hits, or it just having them be later than another. So it works, and this method of calibration seems to work good too. So hopefully that will work for me. And Alvaro, if you could answer my question there, and we can see when the signals are sending out, if both cameras detect the object at the same time. Because usually there'll be some overlap, right? In the sky, we'll have them overlapped a bit, their field of view. So if a plane goes and hits both of them, you know, which signal goes first? Or does it send two signals? Or is there a short period of time where it knows not to send the second signal? I don't know. Anyways, there you go.